So in this question, you're given that there are two circles and the arc of length L in both circles subtend an angle of 60 degrees in one circle and 75 degrees in the other circle. So we have taken an arc of same length. In one circle, this arc is subtending an angle of 60 degrees at the center. In the next circle, the arc is subtending an angle of 75 degrees at the center. So in that case, what is the ratio of the radii? That's the question. So I'll use the formula L is equal to R theta. So for the first circle, L is equal to R1 times theta in radians. So 60 degrees corresponds to pi by 3. I hope you have remembered this enough. And for the second circle, L is equal to R2 times 75 degrees in radians. What is 75 degrees in radians? This is 15 into 5. 15 degrees is pi by 12 and into 5 is 5 pi by 12. So 75 degrees is 5 pi by 12, 60 degrees is pi by 3. So now both these length of arcs are equal. L is equal to L. This implies R1 times pi by 3 is equal to R2 times 5 pi by 12. So pi and pi gets cancelled. This implies R1 by R2 is equal to, if you cross multiply this, you get 15 by 12, that is equal to 5 by 4. That means the ratio of this radii is 5:4. This radii is slightly larger than this radii.